Hey guys, this is Fundo on One Show Parama. Tonight on Uzalo, Vega life hangs in balance, and Vega realized the only way out for him is to break his biggest rival. And Thimbe tell Vega that he must go to apologize again to Nkunzi. While Hleziphi operation breaking Nonka and Wanda seems to be emotion. And Nonka dream about it and tell Madongwe about her dream. And Madongwe tell Nonka that maybe ancestors warn Nonka about with a dream, and Nonka seems like he refuses the words of Kamadongwe. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.
Bawungibona ungishote hayibo ungishote